Want to snag those Temu freebies? You gotta accept that invite first. Let's get to it. Alright, first things first. Tap on the Temu App icon to launch the app on your phone. Once the app opens, keep your eyes peeled. You're looking for a banner, a pop-up, or any notification that says something like you have an invitation. It usually shows up right on the homepage when you first open the app. If you don't see the invitation right away, tap the search bar at the top and type accept invite. If this works, proceed to tap the invite. Still can't find it? Tap the U tab located at the bottom, and then tap the notifications icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll through your notifications until you spot the invitation. It might say something like friend's name invited you to Temu or accept invitation for free gifts. Once you found it, tap on the invitation to open it. This will take you to a page where you'll see all the juicy details about the offer. And, boom, you've accepted the invitation and unlocked your reward. Enjoy your Temu goodies.